morning. I just put on this cutie little romper that I bought. Tell me this isn't adorable. How do people make headbands look good? Because it just accentuates my ginormous forehead. Can we pretend like that looks good for a minute? Just please, just for a minute. I feel like I'm in a little dorm room, but if you guys watched my most recent videos, you would know that I did a little room renovation to my room. And ever since I did, I've just been wanting to never leave my room, which was exactly what I wanted, because originally I never went in my room, probably because it looked like a jail cell, but she has had her full glow up and we've come a long way. So I have been loving staying in here. Today wasn't supposed to be a vlogging day. In fact, I have a lot to do today. Today's actually Wednesday. Can I tell you guys, Tuesday is my busiest day of the week because it's the day that I film, edit, and upload my podcast. But as you know, I have time management issues and lately I have been swamped. I don't even have the podcast edited, let alone filmed, recorded, uploaded, whatever. So we're gonna film it this morning, get it up. I have so much like admin work to do, which I know sounds like stupid because you're probably thinking like, girl, you're an influencer, blah, blah, blah. No, it's actually like because you are the talent, and I say talent in quotations because I feel like it's weird to call yourself that, but that's what they call you like in contracts and stuff. Because you are the talent, you have the final say in so many things. So if you don't agree to things, sign things, approve things, send your selects, it won't get done. So I have so many things that require me to just like finish it off. And so today's gonna be a super productive day in my life, workday edition. Very fortunate that I can start my workday off at 9 a.m. with an eye mask. But to be honest, this isn't usually how I start my mornings when I'm not vlogging. I just feel like, I know you guys always want like a very chill vlog, but I'm incapable of posting a video that I don't think is good enough. So whenever I'm like, okay, I want to vlog, that makes me automatically want to wear cute stuff, do cute stuff, have cute meals. Like I just want to be cute. Okay, so that is why I'm wearing an eye mask, but also because, like I said, I'm going to be on camera, so I might as well put an effort to look deep bloated and look cute. Usually when I have a long filming day, I'll order a Starbucks. So that's what I did. So let's go pick it up. Hallelujah. Oh my goodness, I got a venti vanilla cold cream cold brew with cinnamon cold foam on top. I usually never get cinnamon cold cream on top, so that's gonna be a first brand new try with me. I always get vanilla sweet cream cold brews. Those are my favorite drinks ever. So we're gonna have a little sip of this, but before that, we're gonna take a cute little photo. You guys always ask me how I get my aesthetic photos, and I'm gonna show you how because I'm gonna take one right now. And the reason why is because obviously I'm thinking about what the thumbnail of this video is gonna be, and that requires taking cute photos. And something that I always do that I hate doing is like when you film a video and you forget to take cute photos or thumbnails throughout the day, it is the biggest pain trying to find pictures to like come up with a thumbnail, because you guys don't realize that the thumbnail is like what makes or breaks the video. If the thumbnail is bad, no one's clicking on that video no matter how good it is. So I'm gonna take some photos right now, probably of my eye masks and of my coffee, and then we can continue on with actually getting to work. Okay, taste test. Ooh, she's a strong one. I feel like I'm in a dorm room right now, just with like all the collages and like the photos, but I honestly don't mind it. Let me tell you guys what's on the first thing that I need to do that's like urgent. Revolve is taking me to the Drake concert, and I have never been more excited for something. And so I have to pick out my selects for like what outfits they're gonna send me, but it's already Wednesday and I forgot to do it like on Monday. Now I'm so scared because the concert is Monday. So will they be able to ship it in time? I'm gonna cross my fingers for that, but I have to pick out all my selects, place that order, and then New York Fashion Week is in September, like the first or second week of September. So I need to get in contact with my friend Bella because we're gonna go together. I'm so excited. We need to plan our stays, and I also need to approve a bunch of invitations that I got invited for. Like these are all very fun things, but they are things I have to get done. So I'm gonna play some music and just do that sitting right here, just because, guys, I should be using my office, and that room is like super cute. Like I would like to be in there, but because I've been so busy for the past few months, I have kind of used it as like my hoarding storage room, and there's so many things everywhere. Like it's actually not pleasant to even be in that room, so we're just not gonna go in there yet. I desperately need to get in the habit of wearing my blue light glasses more. Okay, it's now 12. We're gonna make breakfast. I think I'm gonna have some avocado toast. I have avocado and I have sourdough bread, and start getting ready because I need to film the podcast. It's so late. So full. I just had 2 fat pieces of bread and so much avocado on top, and if you know, avocado toast is actually so filling, and that just had so much avocado on it. I'm gonna start getting ready, and I think I'm gonna film a TikTok at the same time. I have like all this new makeup from Say Beauty, so I'm debating if I should film a little like makeup testing because I feel like that could be fun. Okay, headband is on and we are going to gua sha. I'm not going to talk too much about this because you guys already know the drill. I think I gua sha in like every single one of my videos, but it truly is one of my favorite things to do before I get ready. One thing I will say though is lately I've been loving gua shaing my collarbone. That may sound really weird, but your décolleté, I think that's what it's called like in French, like your this area is actually so like, it's just so pretty. I find when your collarbones are kind of like, you know what I mean? I think doing the draining as well on your chest also really works. I'm gonna watch some YouTube at the same time. Let's do a full face of makeup with Say Beauty. Say Beauty was kind enough to send me so many products, and honestly, I have never used a product by Say Beauty. So I am so excited to be trying these out. They have some of the cutest packaging ever, but the question is, do the products match their aesthetic ability? Makeup and hair is complete. You guys saw I just did a little like makeup tutorial for my TikTok. I honestly don't know how I feel about it because the quality is so freaking painfully good. You could see every little pore I had, so I don't know if that's the vibe. But anyways, now it's time to film my podcast. I'm gonna show you guys how I film it because my setup is not necessarily the most professional, but you know what? It works and I like it. Low-key, all of my cords are hanging out everywhere, but let me show you what I do. So first of all, we've got our microphone here. We got our headphones right here. Then we've got this suspicious looking thing, which is called my H6 Zoom handy recorder. This is what records my podcast and it's called an interface, and it makes my quality sound a lot better, except for when I'm being stupid and do it wrong, like the past 2 episodes that I freaking uploaded where the audio didn't sound properly, and I actually don't know why, and that's my biggest pet peeve because the first episode that this happened to, I didn't do a sound check. The second one, I did a sound check and it still didn't work, which is the biggest pet peeve. So we're gonna do a sound check this time, but what I need to do is connect my computer to these 2 cords. I know this is super interesting for you guys, but I thought it would be kind of fun to show you the behind the scenes. I have a whole bunch of SD cards. I need to make sure that I use the right one. Then we turn it on. There's a whole bunch of knobs, and honestly, I did all the research when I first started my podcast, but now I like don't remember which knobs are for what, so I have to make sure that I don't move any settings on my interface. The things I do remember though is that this needs to be at like 5 or 6, and so does this. And then I make sure that everything is like really tight on there, all the cords, and then I'll press record there. And then you can see these lights turn on, they're all green, so I'm gonna test it out. Hello? Okay, press record. Hi guys, welcome back to my podcast. My name is Fernanda, blah, 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 blah. So then, oh my God, it's actually so hard to talk to yourself with earphones on. I feel like it makes me feel like I'm in a fishbowl and I can't think about what I'm trying to say. I'm going to see on my computer if it works. Welcome back to my podcast. My name is Fernanda. Okay, so far it says that it worked. Now, usually for my podcast episodes, I do a lot of research before, like if it's a topic on how to overcome negativity or how to glow up or how to become your best self or whatever it may be. But for today's episode, I was feeling kind of more chill, especially because I'm literally filming this one a little bit late. So I decided that I would do kind of like a personal Q&A, a get to know me type of vibe, just one that's like fun to listen to and isn't so advicey, which I feel like I never really do on the podcast. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do that. And I feel like a lot of the people that watch my podcast don't watch my YouTube or vice versa. So I think it's good to let them know who I am, know what I'm about. And I also haven't done a Q&A in a really long time. Pray this works. Someone asked how long on average it takes me to edit a YouTube video, just like an average one. It definitely depends on the video. Definitely though, at least like 5 hours, I would say. If it's a video that I spend so much time on, like, oh my gosh, I honestly couldn't even tell you. I really hyperfixate on things that I enjoy doing. And if there's a video that I want to get done and I really like it, I'm really passionate about it, I like the way it's going, I can get in the zone and edit a video for like 8 hours straight. And if I do that for like 3 days, the hours just go by so fast. So honestly, I don't even know. I feel like I should time it because I would be curious to know. Okay, podcast episode is finished. It's literally so late in the day. It's 5 p.m. Ugh. That episode took me so long to film. Like, I kept starting and restarting just because I feel really distracted right now and like random. That's my feeling a lot of the time. I just feel random. Like, I feel like I get my best work done in the morning, and that goes for my podcast. Like, it's best in the morning, but when I don't do that, I'm like so distracted by the middle of the day. Also, I forgot to show you guys. I don't know why I didn't vlog that, but I made some chicken. Literally just put chicken in the air fryer and then put some avocado in the bowl, lime, tahini, ate that up. It was delicious. And now I'm just still sipping on my coffee. That's probably not okay because I've had it for so many hours. I wish I could say it was time for a break, because even though I have been having breaks, like phone breaks, I haven't had a proper break, but now I have to edit the podcast. I'm also really craving Menchie's. I would love some ice cream right now, but I actually had Menchie's yesterday. Like, I don't know if having Menchie's 2 days in a row is the vibe. My editing snack is blueberries with Greek honey yogurt, granola, and chia seeds. I'm gonna sit here, lock in, and get this video up. It's 5:21 p.m. right now. Let's see how long it takes me for me to finish editing this podcast and get it up. Let's aim for 7 p.m. Literally 10:30 p.m. and I've just gotten up from my desk, like literally just right now in like the past 5 hours, and my hips hurt so bad. This is one of the worst things about working at home and like really having a grind day, is that I sit all freaking day. Like, if I don't get a little bit of exercise, I am just sitting. So honestly, I do feel very regretful that I didn't work out this morning or at night or didn't even step foot outside of my apartment, but I definitely will be working out first thing tomorrow morning. But I got my podcast episode up, which is very exciting, and I just was editing this vlog actually, so did that. I might just so sad. I hate when I'm like, well, I guess I'll get ready for bed when it's literally 10 p.m. and I feel like all I did was just like work stuff, which is fine, but I think I've actually stared at a computer for maybe 12 hours today. Let's do the closing shift, as they say. If you don't know what that is, I saw a TikTok the other day saying that whenever you go to bed, you know, just done for the day, you act like it's a closing shift. Like, you turn off all the lights, you lock the door, you do a little bit of cleaning. Fortunately, I'm not gonna do a little bit of cleaning because my apartment has never looked worse, honestly, but let's turn everything off and just get ready for bed. I'm gonna take some melatonin. Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da cirã. As you guys saw, today I did my makeup with all Say Beauty products, and I honestly love the way it turned out. She slayed. Like, it's been hours and I feel like my makeup still looks good. I'm gonna take off my makeup, brush my teeth, floss, and get ready for bed. I really need to go to the dentist because my wisdom tooth is actually growing in, and I don't know when that's gonna happen because I do not have the time right now to be knocked out from my wisdom teeth removal. So I don't know when that's gonna happen, but that needs to happen ASAP.
aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capilinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha.
Morning, friends. I'm gonna be vlogging today too. I did mean to wake up earlier because I was gonna work out today, and you know I wanted to. I literally said that last night that I wanted to work out, and I had way too many good dreams to wake up. So I woke up at 9:30, and then two of my friends, Cam and Jake, they're actually visiting from LA. We decided that we're gonna go for brunch, so I'm gonna get ready as fast as I can. I uploaded my podcast last night, and it's doing pretty well, so I'm excited about that. And I think I'm gonna upload my room transformation video tomorrow, so we gotta edit that. I've been saving up all my PR packages because I want to do like a PR box unboxing. I always see my fam make these videos where she like saves up all her PR packages and does like a huge unboxing haul video, and that is what I'm gonna try to do today because I have all my boxes saved up. My whole apartment is so messy and I just need to get rid of it. One of the products that I really liked from yesterday was the Say Beauty Slip Tint Broad Sunscreen. I think that there is shades, and this is the 3.5 shade, and honestly don't really know if this is my shade, but we're gonna be using it anyways, kind of as a base. I really do wear sunscreen every single day, and I feel like it's made my face so much more glowy. The second product I'm gonna be using from Say Beauty is this one. This is their Star Glow Super Glowy Gel. This was absolutely one of my favorite products I got from them. The way that I applied it in the video yesterday was just by putting it on my hand and then using the brush that they gave me and just kind of like putting it like that. Like, it's so glowy. It's like a gel paste consistency. One of my holy grail products is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I really have to do my makeup fast this time because it's already 10:11 and we're meeting at 11 and I cannot be late. My friend Cam used to live in Vancouver, and it's so sad because when he lived in Vancouver, I didn't live in Vancouver. Like, I lived in my hometown, and now that I live in Vancouver and we could have been roomies basically because we're in the same city, now he went to LA. So it's been a long time coming since I see him back in the city. I'm gonna be using the one that I always use. It's my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I've been struggling, I guess struggling is the wrong word because I really don't pay attention to it that much, but with little bumps all over my forehead. It might be because I stopped using salicylic acid, and that was usually what I used to like combat that, but I don't know what's happening. If you guys have any recommendations to get rid of those little bumps on your forehead that aren't like full pimples, but they're like little whiteheads almost, please give me some suggestions. I'm pretty sure what I need is some sort of exfoliant, and I have been exfoliating my face, but not with like a chemical exfoliant, just like a literal facial exfoliator. Also, I can't tell if I have a sty. My eye really hurts. The concealers they gave me are also in the wrong shade, but I'm gonna use them on just like around my face. I did really love their blushes though. That is one thing that I loved. I'm using this one in Chili. It's their dewy blush. I feel like you can also kind of use it on your lip, but also cream blush on a brush is so much better than a beauty sponge. Like, I think it usually just soaks up all my blush whenever I use a sponge. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I also have no clue what I'm gonna wear today. I don't think Cam's watching this, but Cam and his boyfriend have such great style. Like, why am I scared for what I'm supposed to wear? And I also really loved the Say Beauty powder. And then I'm gonna use the Anastasia brow pen in soft brown, and then I'm gonna use the Say mascara. I actually thought this was really good yesterday. Okay, the Uber's here. This is my outfit. Classic hair, white, brown, pink. The plan was not to be late, but here we are.